Hi, I'm currently walking at the main street of Auna, looking for something to eat now. Haven't eaten anything since the morning, since I arrived here, so kinda really hungry. And another thing I wanted to share with you guys, if you guys are coming to Thailand, you guys want to get the SIM card, do not get it from the airport, because the price is very expensive. I went to the network shop here. They were selling me the same plan which I got from airport at the price of 219, which I got from airport at 500. So it's almost half the price. So if you guys are coming to Thailand, do go to the local store to get your SIM card. You can get it from 7-Eleven as well. There's many 7-Eleven stalls here, shops here in Thailand, or Family Mart, or any of their local mart here. The price is way cheaper if you get it from airport. And another thing regarding transportation, if you are traveling alone, do get a sharing transportation. It'll be cheaper. And if let's say you guys are traveling alone, you guys don't prefer traveling with a group of other strangers, if you are traveling alone, do bargain with them, because they might reduce the price. It happened to me today, as they was offering me to go from airport to Auna. They was offering me first at 600 baht, and then I bargained with them, and I got it almost half the price. So it was a good deal. So do try bargain here for the transportation. And I'm not really sure about the food price. I'm gonna go eat now, so I'll share with you guys how is the food price and what type of food you can get here. And then I'll be heading to the beach to see the sunset. So watch my video and see what's going on more in Auna. I heard that the beach is one of the tourist attraction, one of the nice place here. There's many things happening at the Aonang beach. So after I finish eating, I'll take you guys to the beach to see the sunset and explore. Alright guys. Alright, I've come to this shop. Let's see what they have on the menu. Soft drink, juice, shake. The beer here is Pan Chang is about 80, Leo is 85. Let's see what other options they have here. Tom Yum. I guess I'm gonna order the Pad Thai of Thailand. And another thing, if you guys are on budget looking something to drink, I suggest you guys to get from 7-Eleven or any mart. The price there is way cheaper compared to if you wanna get it from restaurants. As I show you here, one beer here is about 80-85. You can get it about 40 to 50 at the local marts here, 7-Eleven or either Family Mart. So but then I'm looking for something to eat, so I'm gonna order something to eat now. Alright guys, one Pad Thai.
Pad Thai chicken.
Pad Thai chicken. That's all. Yep. Alright. Wow, that was really filling. The portion was quite big actually. I didn't thought I could finish it. Yeah, so let's go pay now, and then we'll be heading straight to the beach. Alright, I finished eating. Actually, honestly speaking, at this street here, there's many Indian shops. There's many restaurants, Indian restaurants. So but then they do sell Thai cuisine there as well, and they also sell Indian cuisine, because I've been walking here from just now, and I saw that there are many Indian restaurants, but they do have some Thai stalls here, but it's very rare to find. And I was really hungry, so I just ate which was near. I just went there, and now I'm heading to the beach. Yeah, so let's go see what's happening. Yeah, so windy here. It's not really hot today, so it's a very nice weather today, and it's really windy. It's really nice to chill at the beach. The sunset is not really clear today. It's a bit cloudy here, so I'm just gonna take a walk at by the beach here. There's some show going on here. There's some people gathered watching this show. Yeah, that's it's pretty long along the way, and at this time I can see there's many people here compared to during COVID. I saw in the video during COVID this place was very quiet. There wasn't much people here, and now it's pretty lively here since Thailand government have removed most of the restriction, so it's more easier for people to travel. Yeah, so now we can see a lot of tourists coming to this country. There's many bar, restaurants and shops by this beach here. There's a long stretch of shops here. I'll go there after this because I need to buy something for myself as well. So I'll show you guys what kind of shops they have here. I can see there's many people going to the shops as well, and yeah, the business are all back to normal. All the shops here are open, I see. Yeah, that's one thing good about now. But then still we need to take the precaution steps, you know, wear masks. I'm not wearing mask because I already kept it in my hotel and I forget it. And but then we do have to take all these precaution steps. Wear mask, you know, sanitize your hand, because the virus is still around. But despite that, you guys can have a good time here, enjoy. Yeah. There's a parrot. I wonder if the parrot can talk. Yeah, let's go. I need to get myself a shirt because I didn't bring much clothes here. because I'm gonna be here for 2 weeks, so I need to shop some clothes for myself. Let's go to the shop and see. Let's see if we can get a good price. Try to bargain, maybe. Let's see if that works. Good morning, everyone. Can't really vlog much yesterday because my camera battery was already finished, and I didn't brought any extra battery yesterday, so can't really show you guys what happened yesterday night. I went to the shop and what was the situation at the beach, but don't worry, I'll be coming here again. I'm going to Koh Phangan now. I got to leave this room. Got to take the bus now. Actually, it's already in the morning now. It's about 7:20 here, so I got to take a bus from here and go to Krabi bus terminal, and then from there I'll be traveling to Koh Phangan. So I guess I'm getting a bit late now. I'll catch up with you guys once I get the bus. Alright.